You've built a regression model. But before you trust it, you have to judge it, honestly. Here is how practitioners do exactly that. Rule 1, from way back in Model 1. Never judge a model on the data it trained on. Score it on the held-out test set, houses it has never seen. That number is the one that counts. Report the error in real units. On the test houses, compute RMSE and MAE. Now you can say, plainly, this model is off by about $30,000 on a typical house. But is 30,000 good? It depends. R Squared answers that by comparing your model to the laziest one imaginable. Always guessing the average price. R Squared of 1 is perfect. 0 means you're no better than that average. Below 0 means you're actually worse. Then look at the residuals, the leftover errors, plotted against the predictions. If the model is healthy, they scatter randomly around 0, like static. But if you see a shape, a curve, or a fan opening up, the model is still missing something. And here is the habit that separates beginners from practitioners. Always compare against a simple baseline. If just guessing the average, or a plain one-line model, does nearly as well, your fancy model isn't earning its keep. Put it all together, and you have this modules project. Predicting house prices, end-to-end. Load the data, split it, engineer features, train with gradient descent, regularize, tune, and evaluate on the sealed test set. And that is regression. You can now fit a line or a curve, measure its error, train it by descending the loss, extend it to many features, and judge it honestly on unseen data. Next module. Classification, predicting categories, instead of numbers.